In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how can you use World Cup stickers on WhatsApp. Let's get started. First, use WhatsApp's built-in sticker pack. Launch any of the conversation, then click on this icon. Now, you can go through these sticker packs. WhatsApp has a dedicated football sticker pack to celebrate the tournament. You can just click on that and you're going to get tons of stickers related to World Cup. Click on any sticker to send it. If you could not find it, you can also type in World Cup and search for it. With that, you will get the World Cup related stickers. Next, generate custom World Cup stickers. For that, you can use AI tools to create completely personalized World Cup stickers. You can try out this app, sticker.ly sticker maker. Download this app, then log in. Then describe the sticker you want. Choose a style, download the image to your phone and use a third-party maker app to import it to WhatsApp as a custom sticker. So this is how you can easily use World Cup stickers on WhatsApp. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.